Hey guys, this is Rich Boy Little Horse, and I'm going to be showing you how to make just some really simple Minecraft items. Just going on to my world. So, glitch. To make a sword, it's pretty easy. Just need to open to LAN. Turn the cheats on. You can't see it, but down there I'm just changing to survival. All you need to do for a sword, I'm going to be demonstrating with a wood sword. All you need to do is get some wood. You don't need much wood, I think just one tree, probably. Taking a long time. So yeah, it's me, new world, so I haven't done much. So you'll need to make a crafting table. If you already know how to make that, it's just 4 wooden planks. So then use your crafting table, and you want to make sticks if you don't already know how to make them. It doesn't matter. So you just need a few, not many. So just get some sticks. Ooh, little button. So you just need wooden planks and sticks. That's all you need. And what you want to do is at the bottom center of your crafting table, put 1 stick. Then at the center of the center, and at the top center. And then that will give you a wooden sword. You can also make a pickaxe, where I like 2 sticks and 3 wooden planks. Gives you a hoe and a pickaxe. So yeah, and then thanks for watching.